freaking back at What of Halloween. Love that video. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Millie if you don't know, and today I'm going to be doing a Glossybox unboxing. This is the October box. It's called Glossy Tales, I think. So they've got this Midnight Fantasy, and I think they've got one called Enchantment or Enchanted or something. So obviously I got the Midnight Fantasy one. I just thought, I've got the subscription for the year, so I thought it might be a good video to do if I do like an unboxing every month when I get it. Kathleen Lights does a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I love watching them because she's just so funny, isn't she? So I thought I'll try and do one. So it's called Midnight Fantasy The Beauty Tales. I love this packaging. It's like a really cool book. They actually linked on their Instagram the girl that designed this, so I think they're currently doing a competition as well where she can design something for you. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So you open it up and it comes with this MAC Look Fantastic QR code. And I think basically what it is just that it matches you to your best MAC foundation. They actually have a filter on Snapchat where you can do it, but it's not very good. And then it comes with this, what is it called, products. Like, so it gives you all of the products this is inside. So I can go through this as I go. And it's actually got a November sneak peek on the back. So that is an LA Splash eyeshadow palette worth £29. So I pay, I think it's £10.99 or £11 a month for this box, and it's always like so worth it because you get so much in there. So it's all wrapped up neatly. Just do it. I love taking tissue paper apart. So this is what I see in the box initially. There's 5 products and a chocolate bar. I love dark chocolate. Come on, focus. It's just the dark, it's not focusing, but it's the Dark Milk Galaxy Cadbury Persephone, but this is nice. So straight away I'm so excited because I see Ilamasca or Ilamasqua, don't know how you say it, but this is a Hydra Reveal primer. This is just the travel size one, so it is quite small, but I don't think you actually need a lot. So you I've just read really good things about this. Don't really know what it smells like. Hair gel. But it actually looks like hair gel as well. This is the Deluxe Mini, and it retails for £10. You get 7 millilitres worth of product. The full size one, if you were interested, is £34 and you get 30ml. I was going to buy this a few years ago, but I didn't have a proper job then, so I just thought it was expensive. But I always wanted to try it, so now I'm glad that I've got this little one. Why is it not focusing? I'm glad I've got this little one just to show you for now, because I can try it out without spending all of that money on it. This is a good thing I think about Glossybox, is that like you're paying so little a month and you get to try so many new products every month. So I love these kind of boxes. I've never done one before, but definitely gonna keep up with it. Now I see this palette. I think this is called the Stargazing Blush Duo Blush Palette from the Beauty Crop. Love the packaging, very Starry Night vibes, isn't it? This is a full size product. Its RRP is £18, which I think is pretty good if you ask me for a duo blusher. Quite hard to open. So wow, love these colours. Probably will wear this one the most, but I do love this kind of colour. I just think this is better for my skin tone, although it does look quite dark looking at it this way. But yeah, give them a swatch. Ooh. So they're very, very like creamy to touch, and the pigment's good on them. I'm actually really excited to use this. The more pinky one actually looks like a better pigment because this is kind of like picking up a little bit, but I'm really excited to use them. I think that'll be really nice, and the packaging is just beautiful. It's very Fenty Beauty vibes, isn't it? And you know what actually really impressed me with Glossybox? They work with like Huda Beauty. Amazing. That's so cool. So next up is this Bubble Tea Bath and Body Starburst Foaming Bath Powder in Rose. So I think you just put it in your bath and then it starts fizzing. My only problem with this is that I'm allergic to some rose products, so I probably will try it out like a little bit before I go full whack with it. But rose is meant to be quite calming, I think, and it's good for your skin, so that is a nice little product. This is obviously full size and it's £5.99. Next up is this Luna by Luna lipstick in the shade Pixie, or is it called Pixie lipstick? Pixie, let's say. This is a full size product again, and this is £15. It's quite good for a lipstick. So it's this really lovely like red, pinkish red colour, perfect for autumn in my opinion, and very like Beauty and the Beast, I think, Beauty and the Beast vibes. So that's the colour on my hand. It's really creamy and matte on my hand, like the swatch is quite well. I really like this colour. I don't really wear red a lot, but I am trying to venture out, just think because I'm so pale. Reds don't always look good on me, but with a bit of a tan, fake tan on, really bronze up, I think this will look really nice. In my other video I showed you that pleather dress with a shirt underneath. I just think this will look really nice with that. Finally we have AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face, concentrated eye cream for your whole face. This is 10ml, this is the travel size version, and this is £8.66 and the full price one is £26, so my eyes are terrible. So this is basically just an eye cream that you can put literally all over your face to help get rid of those like signs of aging, which I personally think you should start young on that, because if you can prevent them before they come, why not? So it's actually quite a big bottle, I would say. This is about the same size as the number 7 eye cream, and that is their full size one. So this looks like really good size to me. Good as well if you just want to try it out, you don't spend all that money. It's very soft, love that. It doesn't really smell like anything though. I just love things. I know Skincare by Hiram says that scented things are like fragrance is bad for you, but I just love the smell of them. I can't wait to use this because I'm always on the lookout for a new eye cream. I just have really like creased skin here, like when you do your makeup and stuff. So I'm always trying to find ways to like not get them creases, wrinkles, whatever you want to call them, under my eyes. It just really irritates me. I know you can't help it because you're just getting older, but anyway, to prevent, I say. And that is the whole box empty that we've gone through. Personally, I think this was a really nice box. I love the theme. I think it's very good with Halloween vibes, because obviously midnight fantasy, it's all a bit starry night, lunar, like that kind of vibes, and I really am into that. I love Halloween, you know, that vine. It's freaking back at What of Halloween. Love that video. But yeah, this is my second box from Glossybox. I didn't film the other one because it was my first one. I just wanted to get my head around it, but both times I've been really impressed. In the last box we had the Huda Beauty Wishful enzyme scrub thing. We had that and quite a few like skincare products, because it's all like the glossy spa. So the themes are really interested. I'm really excited. That sneak peek of that palette looks like gorgeous, so I'm really excited for that to come next month. Definitely can do this again. I think a lot of influencers have got discount codes. I think that Ellie Jarrett from Sid and Elle does, so I'm assuming that Sid probably does as well. There's a lot of people that do it, and I know some people on YouTube that do these kind of videos get discount codes, so maybe check them out. You do get your first box for slightly cheaper, I think, because it's your first box, but I wanted to like get the whole thing forever, so I've just done the yearly subscription. I find these really interesting to do, so please let me know if you enjoyed this. Comment down below what your favourite product is. If you got the box, what did you prefer the most? Did you get this box or the other box? Because I know the shades of things differ slightly in the other box. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!